Hello there. We will run. Previous session we have seen running single test case, right? In the Playwright automation framework. Now we will see running multiple test cases in Playwright automation framework. Oh, yes, we will see. So running, we need to run multiple test cases. Now I am running. One test case name is get by rule. Another test case is logout functionality. So two test cases I am running at a time. Now say npx playwright test. So first I am picking get by rule. This test case, copy relative path. Okay. Space. Get this also logout functionality. Space hyphen headed mode. I am running headed. Okay. I'm changing the path backward slash. So now I'm running multiple test cases. See, see, two test cases up. Two test cases are executed, two got passed. Okay, running two up two. Okay, now we can see the report. Right. Two test cases passed. Test case. Two test cases. So this is the command we used. I hope this is a very helpful session, guys. Thank you.